Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is Engineer Khaliqur Rahman and welcome to my channel Civil C. Today we are going to discuss about the updating. The updating involves 3 steps: schedule update, resource quantity update, expense update, and the later on tracking. So first of all, go to the schedule update. For that, if the project starts, then it is necessary to update the progress with DPR, daily progress report, and to update that progress in the Primavera P6. The activity that is completed should have to be update in the Primavera P6 to track the project progress and to monitor the progress is going with the tracking with the Primavera schedule or it's behind the schedule. So for that schedule update, go to highlight the activity and go to the status. Here already the project work start. Here go to the status and you can see that once we finish it, start it, it will finish on the same day because it is a milestone. And for the resource mobilization, go to resource mobilization and go to status. It will start on 16th and finish on 18th. So we say that it start on 16th and finish on, you can see that it will finish on 19th. Suppose one day delay, it will finish. And it will, there is a variance of minus 1 day, total variance of 1 day. So the next is the site clearance. Site clearance started on 19th and finished on the same day, 19th. Okay, layout marking, that start on 20 and also finish on 20. Okay, start of block A, it will start on the 21st and finish on the 21st. Excavation and foundation start on the 21st and I say that it will finish on the 22nd. Okay, steel fixing off, it will start on, okay, this is the start date 24th September and it will finish on the 26th of September. So today is the 24th September, it will start it on 24th September and go to the, it will not be finished because it will finish on 26th. So we will update the percentage progress. Go to journal, here the duration type is duration, change it to physical, go to status and here you can the 30% status, completion status is 30%. Okay, so go to the block B activities. Okay, in block B activity, start of block B, status. Okay, start of block B. Okay, start and finish. Excavation, same date. Okay, for the steel fixing of foundation block B, we will start, go to journal, change the activity type as physical and go on the status, here 30%. Okay, so this progress update is up till 24th of September. So go to schedule, here select the date as 25th of September, schedule from 25th of September and go to schedule it and you can see the result. Schedule percent complete is 3.92, performance percent complete is 2.59, original duration is 111, BL duration is 111, actual duration is 8 days and there will be no variance. There is minus 1 day variance and that will be compensated in the, so here you can see that the activity that are completed and updated shown with the black line. Here there is 1 day negative variance, so activity will completed after the baseline deadline. The black line is exceeded above the yellow line. So this is the data deadline. Up till that date the activity has been updated. There is the 3-day plus variance that will compensate the negative variance for three negative variance. So this is the schedule, how we update the schedule, as it is the 8-day update progress schedule, and with the passage of time, as the activity completed on site, we will update the status according to the update progress update. So the next is the resource update. Okay, click on the activity. As already clicked project work start, go to resources. Okay, there is no resources on the resource mobilization helper. Is the source weighted are 81 and the actual are also 81. If we change it as 85, as we increase the actual units, so you can see that there is a negative cost of 720 for the additional units consumed by the helper, and the BL cost is 14,580 and the actual cost is 15,300. So 720 is the negative. Okay, go to the next. Okay, the next activity is the site clearance. For site clearance, the resources are excavator and helper. So we can say that the excavator use over here is 6 hours, and the helper use over here is the 9 hours. So for layout marking, the sources are helper and mason. Mason use here is the same. Start of block node sources excavation. The sources actual units, you can see that if we use the excavator for 7 hours and rest remain the same. So by this way you can update the resources. As this impact seen, variance is 0 for the project work start, minus 720 plus 36,000, 0 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24,000. So up till we save 59,280 in terms of various resources. So this is the resource update, and you can also view show on bottom resource usage profile. You can see that the blue lines go to option and uncheck these. Okay, you can see that units, you want to check the cost, then you can also check the see that this is the actual, this is the suppose we for the source mobilization for site clearance, For layout marking, selected activity, you can see that for the source mobilization, the actual is 0. The actual cost is low. And if you want to see the units, then it will be display unit for the site clearance. Selected activity, you can see that for the resource mobilization, the actual units consumed is less. Budgeted labor unit is actual labor unit is 21 hours, cumulative is 35 hours. Budgeted labor unit are 27, actual labor unit are 21. So here there is no budgeted units, and this is the overuse of that actual feeding of the resource mobilization. That is 1 day extra, that is not, because that is not budgeted, and if we use resource mobilization 1 day more, then it's because of this. Okay, so for the expense update, similar process. Highlight the activity and view shown bottom details. Okay, go to expense on resource mobilization. There is no expense, there would be in layout marking. The expense are in layout marking. The chalk, the budgeted cost is 5,000, and we can say that the actual cost is 4,500. And put the remaining costs, that is 500 to 0, and you can see that the at completion cost will be 4,500, and there you can see that 500 Rs 500 is the saving. BL total cost is 9,320, and the actual cost is 8,820. So you can update all the expense like that, similar to that. So this is the update up till 24th September. Only one expense come under that date. Similarly, you can update all the activities of the expense. Which activity has expense, you can update the expense to actual cost of the expense. So the next is the tracking. For project tracking, go to enterprise, click on the tracking. Okay, the tracking is similar like that, as we track the project progress, its source as compared to the project baseline and the actual work done. So this is the display project Gantt and profile or in the spreadsheet. So this is the profile, you can check it. This is the actual, this is the cost, update of the cost in form of histogram and the curve. This is the cost with blue color, the actual cost, and the actual labor, remaining labor, and the BL project labor. So we update it, click on that. This is the summary of the month of September. Actual labor cost is that, cumulative is that, remaining labor cost is here, and the BL project cost is that. So the actual is very small amount as compared to the budgeted, and the remaining will be written here. So if you want to remove the curve, go to the profile setting, uncheck these two, click on apply, and the curve will be disappear. So this is the actual and baseline. So this is the actual, and you can see that if you remove the remaining early. So this is the baseline, and this is the actual labor cost. If you want to see the units, then apply, then these are the units. So if you want to see the total, then click on apply, then you will be seeing the total cost. If you want to see the total units, click on apply, then there will be the total units. So if you want to see the remaining, then you can click also that green color is the remaining labor. Okay, this is the profile, and this is in the tabular form, the number of units utilized in the month. Here is the estimate to complete, you can, if you want to see the actual and the plan, these are the actual cost and these are the planned cost. So you can see whatever you want, what is your requirement over here, and this is the display of the Gantt chart. So this is all about today's video. In the next video we learn about the earned value management. Hope this video found informative, and coming back with the next video. Allah Hafiz.